Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to mention or tag someone on Instagram story. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app on my phone. Then we're going to swipe right our screen to create new story, and I'm just gonna choose the photo from my gallery. So I'm just gonna choose this one. Alright, after that, if we want to mention someone on our Instagram story, just simply click on this icon, then type the username that you want to mention to your story. For example, I'm going to tag this one. Alright, and if you want to share this photo to our story with someone mentioned on our story, we can simply click on your story to share this story. Okay guys, that's how we can mention or tag someone on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!